channel. I'm Autumn Hogan.
And I'm Leanne King. Today's lesson is on thunderstorms. Our first topic is how a cloud forms. Cloud formation requires water molecules, dust, and air pollution. Temperature, pressure changes. Cloud condensation nuclear is small particles such as dust and pollution that enable water molecules to stick together and stop bouncing around. The water molecules condense around the nuclear to form clouds. This happens when warm air rises to the air formation where there is less air pressure. Cloud stages. Air rises with water and vapor, so like it goes out. And then air cools and condenses around dust, and it goes up again. And then air expands, and how it just expands. And yeah, 2.
Now that you understand how a cloud forms, let's talk about lightning and thunder. Lightning is a powerful electric charge that can occur at any time. How it happens is a cumulative cloud forms, a negative charge comes down, and a positive charge comes from the ground. Lightning can strike anywhere. The impacts are lightning has killed more than 8,000 Americans in the past 50 years, and the U.S. experienced 20 million ground strikes each year. Like I was saying, the clouds have a negative charge coming down, and then the positive charges are coming from the ground.
So here are some lightning and thunder safety precautions. Inside a car is the safest place to be. The worst place to be is out in the open, such as on a golf course. Stay in a safe shelter at least 30 minutes after you hear the last sound of thunder. Keep away from the windows and stay off the porches. Stay away from objects that could conduct electricity, like barbed wire, fences, and power lines and windmills.
Hold up. Now for tornadoes, we're going to talk about the formation and the impacts and the safety precautions. For the formation, before a tornado is actually called a tornado, we call it a mesocyclone. And how is when the warm, moist air comes up from the ground, mixes with the cool air, causing the whirling system. Cool air causes water vapor and water droplets, forming a funnel cloud extending downward from the cumulus cloud. The impacts: if the funnel cloud reaches the ground, it picks up the dust and debris, causing it to look dark. It has killed 38 and injured hundreds of people in the Utah, the tornado. That was not good. This map shows the cool air from the north coming down to the warm air from the south and where the tornadoes are most likely to occur. This map shows where the tornadoes are most likely to occur at any given time. Right about here is where the tornado alley is, and that's where the storms most frequently occur, and the tornadoes are most likely to occur. It stretches from East Texas northward through Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, and into the southeast South Dakota.
Tornado safety tips. If you've been warned that a tornado is approaching, or if you've seen a funnel cloud, you need to seek shelter. Go to a tornado shelter or steel-framed or substantial rainforest concrete building. If you are at home, go to the basement. If there is no basement, go to a small room like a closet, bathroom, or interior hallway in the center of the house on the lowest floor. Seek shelter under a mattress or a rigged piece of furniture.